this is on outside wall, so they're different each unit because of what happened. See, here's what. Right. They cover every last square.
Floor is covered completely. Oh, wow.
So they cover everything up. Cover everything up.
Cover
They- a lot
the,
of
even
work.
covered the air
When
intake.
people
But
come and see it, they're like, "This is a war zone."
Yeah.
This one, they had to take out that back. See the cast iron? That gives you a good idea. See the. That corner, Jim?
oh yeah. Oh yes.
So that gives you, now they haven't
So
got
you, God, you got
cast iron?
cast iron.
Oh,
Sorry.
So they're going to have to replace every bit of this
Yep.
black stuff,
Yep,
and they've already got this.
some of it, right?
Some of it already done, replaced.
Correct.
And the
Still
same
gotta
with
get
those.
two.
So now,
One's a rain leader from the roof.
oh, a rain leader. That's what he was telling us about, the rain leader. So it's a drain.
It's
From the roof drain or
all the way
whatever.
down. But they said, once you got this open,
Might as
those are
well,
gonna crack down the road.
might as well do it.
Even though it's just rainwater,
Right.
they're 40 years old.
Yeah, right.
Why would you close it to
Right.
open it again?
So that's
So,
really
but in this
important. So
unit-
one of these is the drain from
Yeah.
the roof.
Yep. And this one, because of the way it was set up, here's the access they got to this one. You notice we didn't go in the back bedrooms anywhere. But there's a couple.
Oh
we
yeah,
have
you got
that
a little
has
access back here, right?
Yep.
So they got everything totally covered and
Yep.
protected.
Yep.
And then they just said, this will got just one little
Came in here with Max. That's Alanis, he's the contractor. See, every one of the contractors put their information up here, so Merrill knows who's doing it. If they have any questions, if they wanna know something about Alanis, they call Rusty, the guy that just walked in. You know, this is back to a 2-bedroom. Remember all those pipes?
Right.
That saves this kitchen. The only
nice,
thing,
nice kitchen.
yeah, this is very nice.
Very nice kitchen.
There's the pipe they're getting ready. See, now they haven't got to this cast iron.
Oh yeah, there's your cast iron. All right.
And then same in here, that's what Rusty's looking at. So this unit lost their surround. So he's got a whole job.
Most of them.
But yeah, most of them, yeah. The guest bathrooms in the small units are most of the problems, you know.
Oh yeah.
You know, that right there, that's the work of it.
So what, this
Make
is-
sure they do that too.
Is that? Oh yeah, that's a good idea too. Yeah.
See, but this person has to put a whole new,
So what? This is the guest bedroom.
this is the guest bathroom, right?
Guest
So this all came out to protect and not take out, because behind that wall is the kitchen for the next door.
Oh okay.
So instead of a $100,000 kitchen, it's a $20,000 bathroom. They make that decision.
What would be that? What are they? Is that orange thing? It looks
I think that's how they do the smoke test. What they do after all the pipes through, they do a smoke test, and they have someone on each floor. If smoke comes out anywhere, they know they got a leak. Instead of a water test, they do a smoke test.
Look at this here, kid. Look at the size of this baby.
That's the 4-inch, yeah.
And then it branches all over the place, right? So,
Yep, excuse me.
Oh.
Sure I don't have.
but yet they preserved the counter and so on right here.
And like I said, and we can always talk again as you get more notes, you know. This is standing here, it's a little cooler. We'll try. This person wants to be in by before Thanksgiving. So they need their contractor to do all this work before Thanksgiving.
Between now and Thanksgiving, they're out.
Yeah, they know that. They know it, unless, now if you're doing less work,
Right.
like some of the other units, like next door,
Right.
they'll be out a month, that's it.
Oh, okay, okay. So
You know,
very-
this one's gonna have, because look at, here's their other party wall. So instead of going through the bathrooms and right behind this wall is the kitchen of the next unit. So they're not about to go through, take a $100,000 kitchen out
Right.
when they can come through
Oh, I
here.
see. These things are plastic covers that cover
Yep.
the whole tub,
Tub
right?
covers. Yep.
So they're And still, it's all new
And see
PVC.
what they did in here, Ken?
Right?
This is their laundry room. So the people next door, see how much this one gets hit compared to the others?
Yeah,
So the 3 unit gets hit pretty bad,
I guess.
you know, but this way it gives you a good
So now
feel.
I'm also noticing, like, and we asked you before, that nobody's replacing the copper water pipes. These are just the original old pipes.
Nope.
Those
Unless
pipes
they
are,
see them,
unless
in
they
bad
see
shape,
something
and then
bad.
they tell the contractor and call the contractor and here's your owner's issue that you want to address with the owner. And they say to the owner, I think while they got the walls open, I'm going to change out your you know.
Yeah, your pipes,
Now,
right?
you still have the.
Okay.
No, it's not an outside wall. You're going to see a whole different thing.
All right.
Here they go. They got everything covered up. Obviously, they just went to look at
Oh,
something.
very similar unit, though, right?
But now, look at the difference in the pipes. So
Wow.
now they took all the cast iron out of here. They just finished insulating and strapping.
All right, I was just gonna say that.
See that?
That's that real heavy installation
Yep.
you talked about, right?
Yep. And then they strap it so it
And then
doesn't
they also
move.
strap it.
But now, see how much they opened up in this unit?
Yeah.
Next door, they only had it right here and that. But all this has been changed as you go up. So all this gets put back in. And the visual is probably better than anything. See, and then here's what this looks like. See here? Here, you know why they took this vanity out? This vanity was taken out because it had a banjo. You know, the ones that go over the back of the toilet?
Right.
Oh, yeah, right,
It's like
yeah.
this, and then there's this little piece, they call it a banjo. I didn't know that.
Okay.
But see, now here, they're insulating here.
Same deal, yeah. So what is that, 5 inch, or how thick is that?
4 inch.
4 inch
Yep,
PVC?
PVC. And see, all this has been changed out. Everything gives you an idea.
Yeah,
This one,
everything, yeah, so when you look at ours, it's all, every one of these white pipes is cast iron.
right,
And the
Merrill did all that.
Merrill does all of that, right?
Yeah.
but the owner doesn't pay for that piping?
Nope,
Okay.
nope, nope. That's in the contract with Merrill.
11 permits, 1 permit for each of the 11 building stacks.